We're here.
We're at the station, everybody. I'm gonna die.
We're at the train station.
Yep, I'm gonna die first.
Oh man. This is where a gunshot was heard when we was running. It was like right over there. Alright. So oh yeah. Oh
Did you hear that shit?
yeah. I heard that. I also wanted to mention oh man, this is edgy. Okay. Edgy. Really edgy, really fast. Okay, we're at the train station. Oh shit. Wait, get down. I think somebody's there. See somebody over there? Alright, come on.
Wait. Don't leave.
Okay. Oh. Okay, we got Michael here and our friend over there. Oh. And we're gonna enter through this way. You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Bro, I'm edged out already. There he is over there. Alright, let's wait for him. I'm gonna sit right here. Yeah, this is the one. Oh shit, hold on. What the fuck?
I see that. Give us a privacy.
There's some blood right here, as you can see.
I'm about to pee on it. Like, seriously.
Pee on what?
On that.
That? Don't do it, you idiot!
Yep.
Don't do it, stupid.
What's gonna happen?
You're gonna... Don't do it, just trust me. Alright, so there's blood on that, and we went through that area.
Out the window.
Okay, go ahead, do whatever you want.
Joey, give us a privacy over here. Can I get some low?
Alright.
Okay, here we are.
So, that's where the figure was found, chasing us, and we had to jump out and burn off. So, we're not gonna look that way, we're just gonna move on this way. Okay. Ready? Okay, we're gonna move on this way. Okay, guys, so okay, they're right behind me. Fuck, I really don't want to go there. Checking all the seats and making sure that there's nobody waiting. What the freak is that? That wasn't there before. What is that? the freak? Guys, I'm shaking. Okay. So, this is where we got chased. This is where we got chased. This is where we got chased.
What the fuck?
I think I see someone over there, dude. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm not getting even closer to that. But yeah, we was right here, right? And then we went that way. And as soon as we turned our backs, he started chasing us. We just heard boom, boom, boom. So yeah. Let's just go back. Hold on. Okay. Wait. I'll go check it out real quick, alright? Freak. Guys. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, this is giving me chills, guys. There's definitely something over there, but I'm not gonna check that out. Let's just get the freak out of here. You heard that, right? Alright, whatever. Is there anything over here? We're just looking for clues and evidence. No blood over there. Bro. Bro, go!
And we went back in there because we're stupid.
Just hold it like that.
Like that. There we go.
Alright, go.
See that blood?
Shit, car. Go down. Put the camera down.
What was it, cop car?
Hold on, wait for it. Come on. Alright, come on.
See that blood right there?
Can't find. Oh shit.
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Damn! Oh shit!
Oh, you grabbed me by my fucking leg. Ah! Fucking leg. Oh, we gotta go. Oh, what the fuck?
I heard that boing. I was like, oh fuck no.
Dude.
I heard that too.
Ah! It hurts.
Oh shit. I went like boing. I was like, fuck. You mean like a pan? Like yo.
Did you hear somebody?
Did y'all see it? Huh? Did y'all see the ghost?
Somebody screamed at us. We couldn't stay here. Something was really in there. It grabs me by my leg the first time, and then it grabbed both of my legs. What happened?
It went like boing. Like that. I think I should go. I think I should go in first.
Hurry up! Cops! 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 All right, we're good. Oh my gosh! Oh, my leg hurts.
For real.
Ow!
It went like boing. Wait, it didn't only grab your leg or both of y'all legs.
It grabs my leg.
He got his leg. I was gone. I think I should go in first and see what happens. Because Joey, something already happened to you already. Once.
It grabs me by my leg,
I think.
and it grabbed both of my legs and it started dragging me. It started dragging me, dude.
I thought I should go in first. You think so?
I don't care, man.
First.
Dude, it went. All you hear was a
Yeah, I went to boing. I was like, oh shit.
and then it was gone. I was like, get the fuck off me. So here,
Yo,
it went like this.
hold on.
I
I want to see the video.
I was like, okay.